To manage your entire pool with your smartphone? No problem with Bluematic. For new and existing swimming pools, Bluematic is fully open and brand independent. Turning off the lights? Easy. Adjusting the temperature of the pool from here? Not a problem. You don't even need to have Wi-Fi in the garden. You don't need to have Wi-Fi in your technical room. Just connect this inside the house and you'll always have a perfect connection. You can even give access to your pool builder to your platform. The only thing you have to do is enjoy your pool.